So, Laurent, you have an outperform at Tiffany. They came across and they did outperform today. Explain to us why they did well.
Sure. Thank you very much for having me on the show today. Yeah. So Tiffany, with regards to comps came in line with expectations, but really it's around the bottom line. They continue to deliver high single-digit year-over-year growth rate in terms of earnings. So the first half of the year, that's been consistent. The full year, it's with regards to a growing high single-digit rate year-over-year for earnings. So it's not really a back-end weighted story for this year. So I think that even if you see some weakness in the back half, they can still deliver on earnings growth for this year.
So, Laurent, expand out past the specifics of Tiffany. Are there general trends that could be inferred? For example, high-end versus not so high-end.
Yes, thanks for that question. With regards to high-end versus low-end, it's interesting. We're in the midst of earnings. What I would note is that it's really down to the company level, company specific. I don't know if we're really seeing a trend versus high-end versus low-end. You know, Costco is delivering numbers, and then on the high-end, Tiffany is delivering numbers. What I would note is the following: across the landscape, across high-end and low-end. E-commerce, I mean, we've been talking about this for years. E-commerce continues to gain share. I would note just for today, for Tiffany, Tiffany's e-commerce business for the last 3 fiscal years has not grown. Well, to this morning on the earnings call, we heard that e-commerce is starting to gain share within the Tiffany e-commerce, within the Tiffany platform.
Yeah.
So again, I think that's the trend that we're seeing.